Yeah, it's just finished cleaning the turbo boost sensor, and this just goes it's the back of the intake manifold on a Mercedes MV900. We got a code 2631 boost performance, and the sensor gets all sooted up. Just gets caked with black tarry garbage that affects the reading. And we also found a leak at charge air cooler. We pressurized the system just to charge air side, and there's a leak at the bottom of the core. So we're going to replace the charge air cooler, put it back together, and take it for another road test. It's the only thing you can do. And we use this clean flow to clean sensors up. There's most likely nothing wrong with the sensor. It's just got that layer of soot on it and it's not reading properly. It'll save you about $60-70 on a sensor.